If you have an Xbox, you must change these settings right now. In a recent Xbox update, there has been a whole load of new features that have just been added, and these are some of the ones that may have gone completely unnoticed. Of course, there is the brand new Xbox dashboard that you're probably all familiar with at this point. It has a completely new layout with smaller tiles, and also much faster and easier to navigate with this selection bar at the top. Now, while we're focusing on this selection bar, let's jump into some of our settings. In our settings, if we go over to the personalization tab, here you can change things such as your background. Now, I already have a video on the channel that shows you how to set up custom wallpaper backgrounds on your Xbox by adding custom images via a USB stick, but that's not what I want to focus on right now. I actually want to show you this new box, which is called So Selected Game Art. Now, if you select this box, on your Xbox home dashboard, you will now have multiple different backgrounds that you can choose between. So currently, we have got my custom wallpaper pack as the backdrop, which is this beautiful mountain. But if I scroll between my different game tiles, you will see that the background automatically changes in association with the current selected game. This is very similar to something you would see on a PlayStation, and it's a nice way to keep your dashboard feeling fresh and very different. Another new setting recently added to the Xbox is multiple network connections. Prior to this update, you could only ever have one Wi-Fi connection to your Xbox console, which is a bit frustrating, especially if you took your console to different locations. I always remember as a kid, if I took my console between my parents' houses, I would have to reconnect it every single weekend at my dad's house or my mom's house. It was just really annoying. Whereas now, with just one Xbox, you can have up to 10 custom network connections. So if you do take your Xbox on the go to various different houses or a friend's house, for example, it will automatically remember that network connection from the last time you were there. Very similar to literally any device in the modern world that has Wi-Fi. Your iPhone has multiple Wi-Fi connections, your iPad, your laptops, you name it. So now inside of your network settings, you can scroll over to manage wireless networks, and inside of here you can add and also remove 10 different networks from your Xbox console. So whenever you change location, if you've already been connected to that internet, it will automatically put you online. A huge time saver, so you no longer need to type in a password that takes ages on an Xbox controller. On the topic of Xbox controllers, if you've had your console for a very long time, you may have some problems with your controller that you don't even realize. Common issue with controllers are things such as stick drift and also the calibration of your thumbsticks becoming uncalibrated. Well, thankfully now inside of devices and connections, if you go to controllers and headsets, inside of here you can create custom profiles and button mappings for your Xbox controller. This has been a standard feature for some time, but now you can recalibrate the thumbsticks on your gamepad. It's a very quick and easy process to do, and also you can see if your thumbsticks are not central with these cool little animations and diagrams on screen. Definitely worth doing this if you've owned your console for a very long time. Now, these are just some of the latest Xbox settings that you need to know, but you should check out this video next if you want to learn even more about the Xbox features that you may not be utilizing right now. But as always, I've been Ben Rowlands. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, and be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this.